Stellantis has initiated the volume production of large and mid-sized hydrogen fuel cell vans in Europe, further expanding its lineup of zero-emission commercial vehicles. The company will manufacture the larger vans at its Gliwice plant in Poland and the mid-sized ones in Hodin, France. While Stellantis already offers battery-electric commercial vehicles, it has previously only sold hydrogen mid-sized vans in specific lots to large clients. Stellantis operates Europe's largest commercial vehicle plant in Atessa, Italy, with a daily capacity of up to 1,200 large vans, producing models for various brands including Fiat Professional, Peugeot, Citroën, Opel, Vauxhall and Toyota. This announcement coincides with tensions between Stellantis, its major investor Exor, and the Italian government. Rome has criticised Stellantis for decisions perceived as detrimental to Italy's interests, resulting in reduced production in the country. Last year, Stellantis produced approximately 230,000 vehicles in Atessa and around 100,000 in Gliwice. However, the company aims to surpass 10,000 hydrogen van sales annually starting from 2025. Stellantis claims its hydrogen fuel cell vans can offer a range of up to 400 kilometres for mid-size versions and up to 500 kilometres for the larger variant, with refuelling times of 4 to 5 minutes. This move reflects Stellantis' commitment to advancing sustainable transportation solutions and meeting the growing demand for environmentally friendly commercial vehicles in Europe.